Hey, bro, we got a package. Been waiting on this shirt. You gotta love when you support people, people support you. I am here to talk about this Huron Speed Turbo Kick. Can't enter twice. I want to be fair to everybody. So we're gonna get ready and talk about what he got going on, cause he got a lot of tools in his garage.
Yeah, what I'm finna start doing, I'm gonna have my channel coming up soon. We're building some exotic cars up in here. We just picked up this Maserati. We're gonna put this one back together. We picked up a Porsche Cayenne and put it back together. We got a SC430. We got two FX Infinity trucks. Can't wait to play with this one. This
I'm not even gonna mention. He just got a doodle truck outside. The man is just shining right now. So y'all just be on standby for what's about to happen. Cause
we got an A7 back there that we been here to put to work. We're gonna do a custom paint job on it. Sell a Navigator for $13,000. Just how I see it, it's on 30s. So if y'all want it, man, let me know. Y'all can come get it.
And you know, of course, I'm gonna drop all this man contact, social media, how to reach him, where he at. Y'all know this guy. He been around for a while. So if you in the city and you know about cars, you know who true is and true custom. So keep it true. Stay true to the game.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're gonna make it do.
We're gonna make it do what it do, but it's gonna happen May the 8th, so everybody got up until May the 8th and $50 to enter. Cause I know there's a lot of people that want to go turbo right now. So I want to help somebody go turbo, cause I still got no turbo kit and we still going turbo and we got some more stuff going on. You see the Maserati, man. A whole lot of stuff going on in 2020. Coronavirus can't stop us. And shout out to Mr. Warlock and his wife for sending me this t-shirt. You see I got it on, I gotta represent. I really appreciate that. Just like I said, if you got anything else you want to send to me, I will drop the info, location, P.O. box. Just email me and I'll get it straight to you. True Customs. Click, like, subscribe, comment, share, do all of that. And stay tuned. His channel is about to be up real soon. Holla at your boy.
We drop them bags off the interstate. Work out down there every day, we got plenty way. When it about business, they finna play. Hit the bank just to make sure that the business straight. How to get paid, let me demonstrate. Nothing but bread on my dinner plate.